Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas here, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is how to find out if you have nodules as a singer. Now, what are nodules, you might ask, or nodes some people like to call them. It depends on where you're from. We get asked this question all the time, and singers are super worried that they have developed nodules on their voice. And of course, if you have, you don't want to keep singing because you could be doing even more damage. So what is a nodule? Well, a nodule is a tiny little growth on the vocal folds that when the vocal folds bang together to produce sound, it kind of gets in the way, and this creates a husky-like tone or alters the sound of your original voice. Now, how do you know if you've got them? Well, if every time you sing you're experiencing soreness and this huskiness pretty much right away or after a very short period of time, then yes, it's wise to go and get your voice checked out because you may be experiencing some nodules. Now, if it's after a few hours of singing that you feel soreness and it doesn't happen all that often, then no, you probably don't have nodules, but you might be on your way to developing them if you don't work on your technique and start to practice better vocal health from now on. So make sure you're taking good care of your voice, and of course, if you're not sure, always head to your specialist and get them to check it out first. If you like these videos, please like and share it with your friends, and of course head to the Voicehouse website if you would like more information on our brand new signature program. Best of luck with your singing, and I'll see you next week.